everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Rhonda, and today we are unboxing my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy. I always want to call it Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, whatever. Anyways, this is my paid for. I did not get to make my picks because I could not log into my account. It's the never-ending story of Rhonda forgets her passwords, and you know, the struggle's real. So anyways, we're going to be unboxing that today. Before we jump into today's video, I do want to give a big thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, a huge ginormous thank you to you guys as well. And for those of you that are returning, commenting, and sharing my videos over on Facebook, a huge thank you to each and every single one of you guys that do share my videos. I just want you guys to know how much it truly helps the algorithm over here. So huge thank you. If you hear noises behind you, is my kitty cat. She's on her perch, she's doing the things, so she may bebop in here. I don't know. Anyways, I've got the Ipsy Glam Bag. The Boxycharm by Ipsy. This is for April. And it's been sitting here for a hot doggone minute. Your girl's a little behind. I guess I had what was going around in 2020. I'm still recovering, still slowly getting my smell and taste back. It's not been fun, okay? Let me just tell you right now, it's not been fun. Anyways, this is the April box, and I think it comes to about $35 now, which is sad to me because back in the day, when I first started getting this, I was only paying $21. Now it's up to $35. You do get to customize this more than you did back in the day. Back in the day, you didn't even get to customize it. So anyways, you do get to pick 3 out of the 5 items if you remember your password to log into your account. All right. So the first thing that I got is by MAA Beauty. Oh, my dryer is also going too. This is real life, okay? You clicked on a channel that started with Hotmess. Anyway, so we've got 2 liners. They're lip liners. We got Worthy and Beloved. And it's funny because they look identical as far as the component goes. Let's swatch. Okay, so it looks like a peachy nude. A little bit darker. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really like this. Honestly, you guys know how much I love the Gerard Cosmetics lip liners, and I'm literally feeling like this looks kind of like Nude maybe, or Melrose Place. Yeah, or a little lighter than Sugar and Spice. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I will definitely be using those. You can't go wrong with a nude lippy. I love that. Stay tuned. Oh, is she spilling tea? Okay. Anyways, oh, do you guys like my eyeballs? Isn't that pretty? This is the new highlighter from OFRA Cosmetics that released on April 20th. And I forget the name of it, but it's this really pretty greeny highlighter. But I'm using it on my eyes. Oh, shut your mouth. So I got the Kosas Cloud Set. This is the Bake Setting and Smoothing Powder in the shade Comfy. It's a sheer medium. I actually have this. Now, I don't know if I have this color, but I actually have this powder and I like it. I really like Kosas products. I'm excited to see this in here. Yeah. Okay. Really happy about that. And the reason that I really like this Kosas powder, you guys, is I have dry skin. I'm not even going to say normal anymore. It's dry AF, okay? I'm old. It's cold half the time here in Kentucky. The air is dry as sin. Like, it's just miserable, but it's okay. Summertime's right around the corner, and I've been sick on top of it, and I've been flying. So anyways, I really like this powder because it doesn't stick to any of my dry patches on my skin at all, and it doesn't accentuate my dry skin. So if you are looking for a powder that is going to help if you do struggle with dry skin, this is going to be really good. Now, I will tell you, if you have large pores, this isn't one of those powders that I feel is very blurring. If you want something like that, go to Dollar General, and I think it's called the Believe powder. That stuff, freaking amazing, okay? And it's $5. It's really good. All right, next in here, I've got the Deep Cleanser with Red Clay. It helps to remove excess oil and unclog pores. It's by First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty products, you guys, and I do struggle in my T-zone with pore clogs, clogged pores, dyslexic, whatever. So I will try this, but I'll probably have to be pretty careful just because I already have the dry skin. So if I just maybe keep it right in the T-zone just to help get the gunk out of my pores, this will be good. Next in here, I have the Nip and Fab Renew Retinol Fix Eye Treatment. I've never heard of this before. Is this like an under eye pad? No, it's a cream. Retinol Fix Eye Treatment 2%. I've never heard of this brand. Have you guys tried this? What are your thoughts? This whole brand is very much new to me. Is there prices in here? I don't feel like there's no. Oh, get to know your picks that you didn't pick because you can't remember your password. It did not pull it up for me. That's a bummer. All right, well, I tried to scan it. Did not work. So this $35. This $24. Power Picks. Okay, this is not in here. I don't even know how I got a Power Pick. Is that just what we pick? You guys know I just can't seem to wrap my head around how this new thing works. Next in here we have the Lucky and Chic Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick and Lucky Life. If it's a cream, I'll probably be happy because I do really love cream products. Oh, you know what? I think got this brand in a contour and I really liked it. Oh, this is fun. It's like a swirl whirl color. It's pretty light. I don't know if that will show up on my cheeks. Well, if not, Haley will use it, or I could just use it on my lips. Honestly, it matches the liners really well. So that hey, look. We got foam. I get so excited over the foam. I mean, the only thing that was breakable was this. But normally they will literally only give us this for like an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, that's a little For me not picking anything in here, I will give it to Ipsy that they did do a good job on that. One, because I really like these lip liners. I got 2 lip liners. They're both shades that I would most definitely use even together. Like, I think using them together and kind of ombreing your lips with them would be nice. And the blush, I really do like this brand. Like I said, I got it, this brand in like a contour. And it's a really good formula, great contour shade for me. Like I said, with this one, it might be a little light, but I could put it on my lips and paired with the lip liners, I think would be great. It's First Aid Beauty. I honestly would have preferred not to have gotten this and maybe have gotten a hair product or a conditioner or something. But it's not the end of the world because I do feel like they kind of slowed down on giving me all these facial cleansers, which is nice. I kind of got a little, they kind of went overboard with it. So I'm happy that it's kind of subsided on that. Honestly, I'm so funny about retinol products, especially under my eyes, because I already deal with crazy dry under eyes. So I honestly could have lived without this product. If you guys have tried it, please let me know. Like I said, I just feel like for the first time in a long time, I kind of have really fixed my under eyes. They're not as dry and crepey and crusty as they typically are. I'm using the YSL Touche Éclat Concealer. Freaking love that stuff. It's really nice and lightweight, and I feel like it's really complimentary to my under eyes. So I don't know if I want to use something that could potentially screw that up, you know, especially with my daughter getting married in less than a month. I just don't really want to mess with things because things are going really good right now. So let me know if you guys have dry under eyes. How does this work? Does it make it worse? Does it accentuate things? This is probably something I'll wait for until after her wedding if I do decide to use it. And then last, the Kosas Powder. I love this pick. It's a great powder. I'm very excited about it. It does say that it's a smoothing powder, so I don't know. I'll have to try. I really haven't been using too much makeup simply because I've been sick. So I'm not I just have like concealer powders and creams. That's it. Like no foundation or nothing, because I will be going and laying down after this. So overall, I do think this was a good box. Not my favorite, but I will use majority of the products. So for me, that's a win, especially for not picking anything. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. What did you think of your April Boxycharm by Ipsy box? And have you guys been doing any of the shop sales that Ipsy's had? I actually haven't in a hot minute. Like, it's been a few months. I haven't really found anything, but some of the other power picks you guys could have seen was the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. That is a great palette. If it's available for sale, I would definitely pick it up. I own it. I love it. We also are seeing the Violet Voss Pretty in Paradise. It's a face and eye palette. I don't own that, but the colors look really pretty. The Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer in black. If you guys pick that out, I actually really love that. I have like fussed away all of my false lashes because of being sick, so I'm back to using mascara again, and this is the primer that I've been using. I like it. I think it's a good primer, and again, if you can get it in your box or at a discounted price, I would definitely pick it up. The My Daily Dose Armor from Skin Inc. I don't know anything about that, but it does have a retail value of $75, and it's a ceramide infused serum to help defend against environmental stressors. I don't really know too much about the Skin Inc. skincare, to be 100 with you guys, so I can't really talk much on that. But typically the first of the month is when you make all of your picks for your Boxycharm by Ipsy. May 1st. I think that's an icon box too, month. And I don't know who's part of the icon box this month for May, not this month. Okay, my brain is floating. I'm gonna hop off for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do want to sign up for Boxycharm by Ipsy or Ipsy Glam Bag, or even get in line for the icon box that's coming, I will have a link down below. It is an affiliate link, and you guys, I'm just so proud of my little set that I put together. How pretty is this? It's a 3-piece set. You guys know I love the Temu jewelry, so this is the Temu moissanite ring. It's got like 5 stones, and then I got 2, I think these sets were like $3. It came with like something, I don't remember what the ring was, but I take the bands and I just kind of make my own little wedding sets. It's just fun. Anyways, my earrings are also from Temu. My tank top is from Halara. My overalls are from Halara. My ring is from the Ultra Human ring, and it connects to my continuous glucose monitor. It's called the M1. That connects to my ring. Freaking amazing. If you are watching your sugar, I definitely recommend. They did give us a coupon. HMV10 saves you 10% on both. So anyways, friends, check me out on my other channels. Hotmess Momma vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the house. Of course, Unconditional Hotmess podcast with my oldest and I. And then I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I will have that linked for you guys if you want it. Okay, bye. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that, or his smile is